Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by turning on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Quick Share uses both to establish a fast link. Open Settings and tap Quick Share, then enable detection so your phone becomes discoverable. Make sure location permission is granted because Android requires it for nearby sharing. Once done, place both devices within a few meters and keep screens unlocked. You're now ready for pairing. Don't delay. Move to the sending steps immediately so the connection stays active and responsive. You pick the photos, videos, or documents you want to send. Gallery or File Manager both work. Tap Share, choose Quick Share from the menu, and a list of nearby devices appears. Select the recipient's device name. The receiving phone will show an incoming transfer prompt. Accept it to begin. Transfers use peer-to-peer Wi-Fi for speed, so large files move quickly. If you have multiple items, send them in one session to avoid repeated pairing steps and keep transfers organized. You wait until the progress bar reaches 100% and confirm files saved in the recipient's gallery or Files app. Once finished, close Quick Share and verify integrity by opening a received file. If a transfer fails, first toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth off then on, and retry. Often reconnection fixes interruptions. If problems persist, disable battery saver or background restrictions for Quick Share, make sure airplane mode is off, and keep devices within a few meters to maintain a stable peer connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.